This video will guide you on utilizing Sales Assistant. The assistant is designed for sales team to extract information from webhook and formulate an email to introduce item products to incoming leads. Add company details for the recipient. Enter the customer's name for a tailored email. Provide the website company of customer's company so that the agent can extract some valued information from the website. Type in recipient's email address. Specify the purpose of the communication. Purpose is to convince the lead to schedule a demo with the sales engineer. Fill the reasons. It is used to make email content that shows the empathy toward the reason. Run once, initiate the action to send the email through clicking on Execute button. View the detailed workflow process information on the right side. The agent will extract the variables and output them in JSON format. This is the email sent by the application. It will generate the email content based on the input information and prompts. Thank you for watching the tutorial on how to use Sales Assistant.